Good afternoon, friends. Welcome back to the homestead. Rainy homestead day. It is very wet today. So we are gonna go ahead and head into the pump house. It's time to transplant my tomatoes into bigger pots. They have grown very nicely and now they need more room for their roots to grow. So let's head into the pump house and start planting up my tomatoes. All right, friends, so here we are in the pump house and here are all of my tomato plants. They are looking so good. Look at these. They are absolutely beautiful. So as you can see, quite a few of these are very tall. So I need to go ahead and take them out because these are small containers. I have my solo cups that we're going to go ahead and transplant them up into, and then we'll take them back inside the house underneath the grow lights to continue growing. Alright friends, so I got all my solo cups labeled with the tomatoes that I'm putting in them, and I went ahead and filled them partially with soil. I'm going to stick my finger in and make a big space so that I can take my tomato and drop it all the way down. You can go ahead and cover quite a bit of that stem with the soil because it will just create more roots for your tomato. So definitely go ahead and put your tomatoes down deep, and if you just have a small amount of the leaves on the top, that's perfectly fine. Like I said, they're going to grow a lot of roots from that stem. It's going to make it for a healthier tomato plant. So let me go ahead and show you exactly what I mean by planting them deep. You can already see this awesome root system. So I'm just going to take that, put a nice deep hole in there, and I'm going to go ahead and place it down inside. Go ahead and cover that, and then I'll go ahead and add some more soil around the side of it. And there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and do that with all of these tomatoes here. This one has two, so I'm actually gonna end up cutting this one off. It's a smaller one and we don't need it competing with the other one. Drop it down in and then cover it up. Alright friends, so I have them all potted up into the red solo cups. I have already taken a bunch inside, so now we're going to go ahead and take these ones inside and get them under the grow light so they can continue to grow, because it is still way too cold to be planting these outside. We are still going to be getting below freezing temperatures here for the next month or so. So these will continue to grow inside the house under the grow lights. So let's head inside and get these under the lights. Alright friends, so now I have all of my plants in solo cups up on top of this rack with my grow lights, and they are all looking so good. I am so happy with my tomatoes and my bell peppers and my hot peppers. They're looking amazing. Let me show you my onion starts, because those are looking really good also, and I'm hoping to plant those out soon. I know I keep saying that, but I just want to make sure that they are good to go outside before I put them outside and have them all die. So let me show you these onion starts. I am so excited to get these out into the garden within a month and a half. Alright friends, so I hope you enjoyed this video of me potting up my tomato plants into bigger cups because they were outgrowing the little ones that I originally started them in. Let me know how your tomatoes are doing in the comments, friends. And until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.